Wet. Oh, look, pretty proud of the effort that the boys put in. Trying conditions. We knew it was going to be tough, and they got a really big forward pack, and I think our 8 stood up today. And look, I couldn't be prouder of the way that they played the game and the decisions they made in the game management from our players. Look, I know we led in a couple of tries, and we'll work on that, but the effort was there. I think the way that they played in this weather, we're looking forward to a dry track.
Yeah, even that try at the end, right? Chris's skill to scoop it up and shift it on. You guys were pretty tidy considering the crack you're playing.
Yeah, look, really happy. Happy with the ball handling skills. I think our error rate was minimal. And then in these conditions here, look, we want our players to go out there and express themselves, and hopefully we've made them believe that to go and do that. And when they see opportunities to execute, they did. Set piece try from line out that our backs called. These are the decisions that our leaders are stepping up and doing. We've had a good couple of weeks, and we'll enjoy tonight because it's a great occasion for us, and it was our only home game before we headed away to Rugby World Cup, and we needed to send our boys off in style, and I think that they did.
You're going up against the US next week. What are you expecting from the bunch?
Yeah, look, you'll see some changes. It's really important that we've brought a squad of 31 over to give them an opportunity, because yes, results matter, and we look, don't get me wrong, but in the back of our mind is Rugby World Cup, and things that we're doing in the PNC is really important for how we're going to be going in our build-up and our preparation for that. So there'll be a bunch of guys that didn't get a run today that you'll see next week. But again, game plans and structures and systems, they've all been training that for the last couple of weeks, and we've got a squad that we think that again, we need to build depth, so that we feel that the next guy that steps into anyone's shoes is just as good as the one that walks out of them.
Were you happy with the performance by your new players for on field today?
Yeah, look, I think Johnny Vaeluagaomatagi was. Look, I feel sorry for our back three in conditions like this, but I thought himself and Belgium Tui Tangaloa performed extremely well, and and the man of the match, Afa, he was outstanding today. I thought, ball in hand, decisions that he made at the base of the scrum, all those things really, that people don't see. I thought he was outstanding. Alamanda coming on, Olafuanga, to finish games off, Senio Toliafoa. I'm really proud of the efforts that they gave us today. And UJ Saltini, what way to have a debut as a first five. And his game management was outstanding.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling at half time to be 2 tries down? I felt it was pretty even though, and how did that influence what you said to them?
Yeah. Look, at half time, we played all the rugby.
Yeah.
We let in the soft try from a kick. Probably that we didn't work hard enough to get back and secure, and then we let them in with a minute and a half to go. But I said to the guys at half time, if you have a look at the field and you split it up into 2. We spent so much territory, so much time inside their half, and just 1 or 2 things that just didn't go our way. So, the belief was there. The boys weren't tired when they went into the change room at half time, and they were really, really positive. Our leaders took control. We had a good start, good kick-off, good chase line. And I think if you look at our line out in the scrum today, it was outstanding. And these guys have done a lot of work over the last few days, and I take my hat off to my coaches for the work that they've done. And again, our management group as a whole to make sure that these guys got on the track, and we went out there to do it for Aloy, because he's done so much for the union, and again for the public as well. I'm just pleased that we come away with it. Cheers.